So welcome back to another adventure in ink transfer drawing with Mark Zimmerman. My name is Mark Zimmerman and I'm here through the Sanford Arts program. What you just caught me doing was rolling a thin layer of ink out on the sheet of plexiglass. I'm going to put a piece of paper down and tape it down so it can't move. And yesterday I drew this eagle without looking very far ahead, and then I eventually realized you just see one of his legs, one of his talons, and so I end up with a really weird drawing of a one-legged eagle, which is kind of explained away because it's just really dark. What I'm doing right now is tracing. I was tracing until my pen quit. Try a different pen. Tracing a so I'm going to change the way that I draw this eagle. I'm just going to draw his head. He's got one of the more dramatic eyes you're ever going to see on a creature. I'm going to actually grab a little bridge. If I set my hand down or I draw or rub on the back of this paper, I transfer ink to the front. And right now I don't want to, I've got some kind of detailed scribbling to do, and so I kind of want this bridge to support my hand above the back of the paper. There we go. That probably is about all I need from the bridge. It's a heck of an eye. And a heck of a beak, holy moly. Must be a little nostril, some sort of, we could just call it an air intake. So every line I make on here transfers as a line on the front of the paper. I'm drawing on the back, and so actually I'm drawing backwards too. Oh, I want that bridge back. We got some darkening to do in here. And it's kind of small shapes, so the bridge helps. There we go. Here's our So let's see, let's get this on here. There he is. I'm going to darken some things. Maybe even put in a little texture back in here too. No texture down in there, that's just plain dark. In fact, it's dark enough that I'm going to come in here and rub on the back, and that will transfer ink to the front. I don't know that there's many other places I want to transfer ink. Let's sneak a peek. Take the tape off. I can put it back down. There's no erasing, but I can, yeah, that'll work. I can add things. I can't erase. And there he is. Much better than the last one. The last one had one odd foot. Let's start with some yellow. You'll notice that it came out backwards, right? It is a transfer drawing. Everything I did on the left actually showed up on the right. Everything I did on the right actually showed up on the left. And so, such is life as an artist. He's got a serious little attitude. Let's see if I can get a really light purple here and put some shadows in. And just get a little nuts. Whoa, the pup. There's a puppy down at my feet trying to be really cute, get some attention. She just rolled herself over onto my foot, so I cannot deny her existence. Which is as she intended, I'm sure. I know eagles are darker than this, but I already have some dark in there from the transfer. We're just going to keep this really simple. I'm just going to splash in a background. And I'm definitely running out of battery. Pick up a little water, start lightening that as it comes up. Remind me to come back with a little orange and put a shadow on his beak. We'll let this get even lighter as we come up in here. And even lighter. So lighter means adding water to my paint. I'm painting with watercolor right now, so there's no white, but, or I don't have any white watercolor, but Let's switch to a slightly little smaller brush. Stir the orange up just a touch. See how dark it is? Yeah, that'll work. A little more orange. I'm going to make it before the camera battery dries or dies. And sign them in pencil always. Sign them at the bottom, just outside the image area. Oh, I think I see one little place I want to add a touch of blue. It's amazing what you see when you turn it around and look at it right side up, huh? So, we'll call it Fly Free. Sign it and date it 2020. This and other ink transfer drawings should be near where you are watching the video, and they are free for the taking. You can thank Sanford Arts for that. And I hope you had fun watching Fly Free happen in front of your eyes. I had fun doing them. Again, my name is Mark Zimmerman, and thanks for tuning in.